My name is Azahra Citra Mahira. I class 2C English department. My registration number 2001122005. The audience is the foundation of every presentation. Therefore, it is very important to know and study your audience before you stand on the podium of your presentation. 3 things about the importance of proper audience analysis, namely 1. Better communication. Once you know your audience properly, then you will be able to communicate in a better way. If you have a youth audience forum, you need to get in touch with them to make your presentation more interesting. The same aspect applies to other age groups as well. 2. Better presentation. You cannot carelessly prepare your presentation. You must be knowledgeable about the nature of your audience. And if you have the ring audience analysis in place, it will be even more helpful when preparing your presentation, as any gaps can be caught early. 3. Understand your audience better. In a presentation session, you need to understand audience expectation. If you cannot meet your audience expectation, your entire presentation session will fail. The better you understand your audience goal and concern, the more likely you are to achieve your goal and desired result, and the more capable you are of measuring the success. To dig up information about your audience, there are 7 questions you can ask. Audience questions. 1. Who are they? Connecting with your audience when understanding them on a professional and personal level, which includes know their names, role, title, responsibilities, and day of birth. Audience question. 2. What are their expectations and why are they there to hear you give your presentation? Why did your audience come to hear your presentation? Find out what their hopes are. Are they looking for solutions to solve their problems? Audience question 2. What are their main problems and challenges? Find out what is causing them headaches and frustration. Identify problems that cause their financial loss, decreases customer satisfaction, low morale, and or operational inefficiencies. What do they need to solve the challenge they face? So your audience that you understand their situation and that you have the ability to solve their problems. Audience question 4. How can your message solve their problem? State with confidence how your audience will benefit from your presentation. Now that you know your audience's main challenge, make sure you can show them how your product or idea can solve their problem and make their life easier. Clearly state how your solution will help them. Don't expect the audience to know the benefits for themselves regardless of how obvious the benefits are to you. Audience question 5. What impressions do you want to make? What do you want your audience to do after hearing your presentation? What kind of solicitation do you want your audience to do? What do you want from your audience after your presentation? What impression do you want you to make on your audience? Do you want your idea to be approved by management? Or do you want your audience to buy your product or solution? Articulate it clearly in a sentence. Audience question 6. How much does your audience already know? Are there any misunderstandings that need to be corrected? Be sure to find out how much they know about your topic so you can customize your presentation. The amount of detail and the type of content you include in your presentation should depend on your audience level of knowledge and role. Audience question 7. What is their personality type? What is the decision-making personality of your audience? Are they detail-oriented thinkers who want to hear about your processes and logics, or a fast-paced, fast-thinking chief executive officer or CEO who wants to hear your key message within the first 5 minutes? Fast-paced executive chart silently needs different information than a quality-minded engineer, scientist, and technologist. Your presentation needs to accommodate this difference. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.